lack of leadership in all spheres of life. The greatest pandemic in this nation is not lack of resources. The greatest pandemic in this nation is not lack of qualification, but the greatest pandemic of this nation are seeking for case. Zikhona zifezithela umnqwazi. And in fact, let me take my hat off to the class of 2022, especially black and under-resourced schools. My first experiment, chemistry, nayo yenze 40. Because kwisikole ndandifunda kuso yayingekho nebhika. Ibhika ndandiyibona nje ngokuzodwa. Kodwa itishara eyayima phambi kwam yayinika umfanekiso ngqondweni. Ndemapha ndiyigraduate, not because ndiye kwisikole ezingcono, kodwa ngenxa there's a black man that sacrificed. And let us take our kids to white school if it is possible. But be sure, don't you find it interesting? A sixth pandemic, Mthatha Circuit, which was once a capital city of a Bantustan, would change the motor from normal mode to off-road. A town because we found 4x4, you know your potholes. Let us all Patagonia. Let us all Patagonia. Do you know we are going back to the Bantustan mentality? Now ngoku umntana ozawuqashwa ngumntana onesikipa esinombala webhaki, umntana onefana engaziwayo ubeka lepaleni. Black children are not crazy. Black children are not stupid. But black children need leaders that will show the way. God, Baba, kufuneka bethe show the way. Banqonga ipresident. Ba busy. Xa ulisafisha icabinet uzawundibeka ndawoni. Nango, I'm a pepper, post Nazareth 2. Instead of being told of how to stop the problem of load shedding, reshuffling or not reshuffling, the black nation is suffering. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares who's the Minister of Education? Ngoba mosuzukwalwa yimokhala into yalapha uyakwazi uthathwa umuntu umuntu azange ajime nojima lo kuthiwa yi-Minister of Sport. Minister Mkunga ba zange ihlale nophuka ubona baba lento ubona zange ahlale nophuka kodwa kuthiwa ngu-Minister of Sport because abantu baleke blue lights. And Mtunga, you should know this better. All of ANC leaders, the moment they are elected, President Mandela, President Mbeki, President Zuma, President Ramaphosa, connected by one new as presidents. You know, they go to the Queen of England. So that uThixo wase-England abe uThixo walapha. Ubani uThixo wase-England? uThixo wase-England uthi into yehlwempu uyayithatha wawugqiba utyikitya umthetho. The problem that we are in, all leaders of the ANC married a girl from England. Nangoku sinengxaki ye-load shedding ukokoswe ii-relations zase-America nase-England zeenkinkomo mahandini. Is how the governing party is prepared at all costs to satisfy the relations of the West at the expense of the massive poor. But you need that.